Hey guys, welcome to Tuesday
Tuesday
Talks
Talks
with
with
the
the
Sequeras.
Sequeras.
So, as promised in our introduction video, we said we'll come up with this concept of Tuesday Talks. And today we are coming up with our first episode of the Tuesday Talks with the Sequeras. Of course, we have a lot of questions asked by our viewers. Now, it's not possible in entirety to, reply to all of those questions. So today we have taken a few set of questions. We'll answer them, and then any more questions we'll be putting up next week. So let's get started with.
या जस्ट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट मला हे बोलायचं आहे की थँक्यू. आम्ही एक Q&A राऊंड टाकला होता आमच्या इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंटवर आणि तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी आम्हाला बरेच प्रश्न विचारले. थँक्यू सो मच आम्हाला एवढे मेसेजेस पाठवायला आणि एवढे क्वेश्चन्स विचारायला. वी विल ट्राय टू आन्सर मोस्ट कॉमनली आस्क्ड वन्स इन दिस व्लॉग. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
Yeah. So the first question, how and where did you guys meet? This was asked by Saloni. So we met at a wedding, at her cousin's wedding.
माझ्या मावशीच्या मुलीच्या लग्नात आम्ही भेटलो. लग्नाचा MC रिज होता आणि
लग्नामध्ये जो जास्त नाचत होती ते पूजा होती.
हो, मी भरपूर नाचली होती आणि त्या लग्नातच मला रिज भेटलो.
Good, no? Good. She was not supposed to come to the wedding, but then she came. Good. Okay, the next question. What's your story how you both met and convinced family for the marriage? This was asked by the pi_art. So we got married. It's been now 3 months. Parents wise, her parents are totally convinced, but unfortunately my parents haven't yet accepted us. They are not in talking terms as well. So in case Mama Dada, are you watching this video? Please do accept us, call us home, and it's high time now. You put out these differences and start accepting us. It's been a year now since we have been in a relationship, and now we are married. There's no turning back. I'm married or there's no refund. So now you have to go through it. So please accept us with open arms. We are awaiting your call. We are just a call away. All right. Next question. It's been 3 months for your marriage. How come you all have a son already? Okay, for the ones who don't know, so Pooja was a single mother, and when I met her at the wedding, I didn't know that. And later on, I saw Hriday coming in, but still for me that didn't matter. I mean, hota hai. It's you fall in love. You fall in love in the best possible way. So that's how it is. So that's how we already have a 7 year, next month turning 7 son.
आणि मला पण बऱ्याच जणांनी मेसेज केला होता की हे तुझं दुसरं लग्न आहे का अँड ऑल दोज क्वेश्चन्स. सो येस, हे माझं दुसरं लग्न आहे अँड आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी इन दिस मॅरेज.
मेरा फर्स्ट. Okay. How did Rich decide to become an MCA professionally? This was asked by crab_curry_19. How did I decide to become an MC? Well, it dates back to the time when I was 19 years old, and you have these small fights or maybe huge fights with your parents when you want to go out. They don't give you money. You can't do things on your own, and that's when I decided I want to do something wherein I can earn. And emceeing was something that I always loved doing. I used to attend weddings, watch MCs perform, and also I was totally inclined to it. And fortunately or unfortunately, I didn't get an opportunity from my own family, and that's when I had to look out from strangers. And by God's grace, I did get my breakthrough, and my first ever event was a wedding, and for that I charged 8,000. So imagine a 19-year-old getting 8,000 for just 1.5 2 hours job. That was something huge, and that's when I decided this. It's high time that I get into this professionally because I love doing whatever I did there, and that's how it is. 10 years down the line, I am still a professional MC. Hey, cutie. The dog roaming around here.
Yeah.
Okay. Preetham has asked, when are you meeting me? Soon we'll plan out a day with you. You can come over for lunch, dinner. Pooja's all set to make some amazing food for you. We'll tell you when it is. And now we are busy with vacations and everything. So before Hriday's school reopens, we'll definitely call you home.
आणि मला आय वॉन्ट टू टेक दिस अपॉर्च्युनिटी अँड थँक प्रीतम. तू आम्हाला जेवढं सपोर्ट करतोयस, आमचे व्हिडिओज रोज शेअर करतो, लाईक करतो, कॉमेंट करतो. सो थँक्यू सो मच फॉर दॅट.
I was just checking whether the video was being played or not. There have been times where we have recorded, we have, just done our bit of the video, but we forgot to hit the record button. And now you become paranoid when I hope you understand what I mean to say. Okay.
So lately paranoid has become our favorite
Word. Yeah, I know. Okay. Surely Ronald has asked this. Do you people fight anytime? It's not anytime, it's every time, I guess.
Yeah,
Before the
आणि
video also we started fighting. It's a normal part and parcel of life.
कपल्समध्ये हे सगळं नॉर्मल असतं. आम्ही भांडतो, एकमेकांना मनवतो, सगळं करतो. सो इट्स फाईन. इट्स अ हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप.
Life is like a bed of, it's not like a bed of roses. We have thorns in it as well. So ladies are usually the thorns. And then we move on to the next question. Okay. Lokesh29 says, make a video about how you guys met till you guys got married. Of course, we will be coming up with those videos and vlogs, but you need to give us some time. Garnering all those data and making the vlogs, editing and all, it's not easy. And since she is working in the night and I have my shows, it tends to get a bit difficult to manage to do all of these.
अँड ऑफकोर्स वी आर न्यूबीज.
Yeah.
तर आम्हाला पण थोडं अडॅप्ट करायला वेळ लागतो आणि वी आर ऑलवेज ओपन टू फीडबॅक.
Yeah,
बऱ्याच
yeah,
जणांनी
yes.
आम्हाला फीडबॅक सुद्धा दिला होता.
Yes.
सो तुमचं जे पण फीडबॅक असेल आम्हाला कॉमेंट्समध्ये नक्की कळवा. अँड वी आर ऑलवेज हॅपी टू हिअर फ्रॉम युअर.
Yes, for sure. Yes. Next, by Vinaya Kenny. How do you manage live content creation, career and personal time? What's your mantra? We are still figuring out that mantra as
ॲक्च्युली
yet.
असं काय मंत्रा वगैरे नाही आहे. यूट्यूब चॅनल हे का केलं इज बिकॉज माझी तर हाऊस होती हे सगळं करायला.
House.
मी हाऊस म्हणजे आवड, हॉबी. तर लहानपणापासून ना जर असं कोणाचा बड्डे असेल, ॲनिव्हर्सरी, पेरेंट्सची ॲनिव्हर्सरी असायचं, तर मला ना हे ऑडिओज, व्हिडिओज, पिक्चर्स हे कोलेक्ट करून व्हिडिओ बनवायला फार आवडायचं. आणि आय यूज टू ऑलवेज डू दॅट. सो ही माझी एक हॉबी होती. अँड नंतर पुढे जाऊन मला ही एक अपॉर्च्युनिटी भेटली. मला असं वाटायला लागलं की दिस इज समथिंग विच वी शुड ट्राय अँड वी शुड डू. मला रिचनी भरपूर सपोर्ट केलं आणि दॅट्स हाऊ वी आर हिअर. सो मॅनेजचा असं काही मंत्रा नाही आहे. काम ऑफकोर्स जे पण आमचे काम आहे आम्ही ते खूप रिलिजियसली करतो. आणि त्याच्याहून पण वेळ काढून हे आमच्या डे टू डे ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आहेत जे आम्ही रेकॉर्ड करतो, कोलेट करतो आणि तुमच्या समोर आणतो. असं काही आम्ही वेगळं जाऊन काहीतरी शूटिंग वगैरे असं नाही करत. हे जस्ट आमचे डे टू डे ॲक्टिव्हिटीज जे असतात, सकाळी उठणं. आणि ॲक्च्युली मी हे माझ्या इंस्टाग्राम रील्सवरून सुरू केलेलं. आणि मग त्या मिनी व्लॉग्समध्ये मला भरपूर माझ्या फ्रेंड्सनी आणि फॉलोअर्सनी सांगितलं की मे बी यू शुड ट्राय यूट्यूब व्लॉगिंग नाव. अँड दॅट्स हाऊ वी रीच्ड हिअर.
Okay, this question is something interesting. Sazi Saki Music has asked us, any plans for baby number 2? At the moment, for me, it's a big no. Pooja wants, of course, and that's, I guess, with any.
तर बेसिकली आय थिंक ऑल मदर्स विल रिलेट विथ मी की आपलं जे बाळ असतं ते थोडं मोठं व्हायला लागलं तर आपण त्या लहान मुलाला थोडं मिस करतो अवतीभवती आपलं एक छोटंसं मूल फिरतंय किंवा आपण हातात घेतो डायपर्स चेंज करतो. तर कधी कधी आता हृदय एवढा मोठा झालाय तर आणि स्पेशली कुठल्या लहान मुलाला पाहिलं तर असं वाटतं की यार बेबी और एक बेबी ऐसे होना चाहिए. बट करंटली नो प्लॅन्स पुढचं.
Yeah, because I'm always practical with that matters.
Yes.
Because now the thing is, we three are enjoying our life very well, and what happens is with an
Wait, let
habit,
the plane.
it's a helicopter.
Helicopter. I could just hear.
Helicopter. Anybody would use a helicopter.
आता बोल.
So practicality dictates at times, and considering the fact it's very expensive nowadays, and my focus is to give the best education to a child, and that
Not only education,
with everything. I mean, if you have a child, responsibilities increase. Another thing is we won't have the free time that we had. We'll lose out on our free time. We won't be able to just suddenly get up and go on a trip and all. So we need to be responsible. We'll have to decide what to do, what not to do, and that is something I am at the moment not ready, because I would like to spend more time with baby and Hriday at the moment, since he's also growing up. Maybe go on long rides, long drives, go here, go there, have some time, spend some more time with them, and then once maybe I get tired of them and if I want some change, then we can consider going for a second child. But at the moment there are no plans as such. I'm not saying that it's going to be no for the rest of the life. We'll see how things work. Obviously we need to see finances, we need to see everything in that matters. Just emotionally I want a kid and all, it does not work. That's how I believe it. Pooja is very positive in that matter. She is something different. She's built in a very different way. I am built in a very different way. But then our Milan is something that works wonders. So let's see how it works. And in case she gets pregnant, we'll be the first person to tell. I know many of you are already commenting that
On
she's
my
already.
tummy, बऱ्याच लोकांना माझं पोट बघून असं वाटतं की आय एम प्रेग्नेंट. आणि देर आर पीपल व्हेन आय
She eats food. She loves food. Let her eat as much as she wants.
इवन व्हेन आय से की नो असं नाही आहे, दे विल बी लाईक ओ क्यूट बेबी बम्प, यू आर हायडिंग इट, अजून 3 महिने नाही झालेत. अँड आय एम लाईक नो डूड, नो नाही आहे असं. जेव्हा कधीही होईल आम्ही नक्की तुमच्याशी शेअर करू.
We'll have a maternity shoot. We'll love clicking photos.
हे फक्त वेट गेन आहे. देर इज नो बेबी इन माय टमी राईट नाउ.
There's only food in her tummy.
Yes.
That's it. So I hope that's clear.
Yeah.
Okay. This guy is hilarious.
आणि actually I would like to share this incident. There have been places where when I go like anywhere to the bank or any
She
public,
gets preference.
yeah, like
preferential
people
treatment.
get up and they are like, ma'am please sit. They think I am actually pregnant, but
And she sits. She doesn't even tell. No, I'm fine. Just
it's
she'll go and
very
sit.
awkward for me. Okay, I don't know how to react because now I'm tired with this yaar. It's like आता मी दमली सगळ्यांना
She's
explain
tired, but she
करून.
doesn't want to do anything. I've told her exercise and all, but she doesn't want to do that. No dieting, nothing. But then I am the wrong person to even say, since I don't do anything of that sort.
एक्सरसाइज आणि माझं खूप दूर दूरचं पण नातं नाही आहे. बट यू गाईज शुड एक्सरसाइज. इट्स हेल्दी. आय एम अ डॉक्टर अँड इट्स रॉंग दॅट आम्ही एक्सरसाइज नाही करत आहे. बट या वी नीड सम मोटिवेशन गाईज.
Okay, and the last question that we have decided on, and this is hilarious. Pontus, all the way from London, is like, please send the recipe of thecha for me. So baby, you need to do the honors for that.
Pontus, very soon I'll upload some video where
No,
I'm
you
making
don't call him
pizza.
Pontus, call him Pintia.
ए
call him
पिंट्या,
Pintia. Hey, Pintia.
ऐकतोस काय? मी ना ठेच्याची रेसिपी तुला बनवून दाखवी ना.
Okay, done. So you'll soon get a recipe of that. So that's it with today's Tuesday talks. I hope you liked what we shared, and hope to see you. Subscribe to our channel, watch our channel, share our channel. Please do that. That's important. And anything else you would like to add in?
जस्ट रिच बोलला की हा लास्ट क्वेश्चन आहे. बट अजून मला DMsमध्ये येतं की व्हॉट डू आय डू फॉर माय हेअर. तर मी माझ्या हेअरसाठी काहीच नाही करत. मी सनसिल्क शॅम्पू आणि लिव्हॉन वापरते. दॅट्स इट. मी ऑलमोस्ट 3 ते 4 वेळा आठवड्यातनं माझे केस धुते आणि कधीतरी ऑइलिंग सुद्धा करते. सो देर इज नो
ऑइलिंग कोण करतो?
नवरा माझा माझ्या डोक्याला तेल लावतो. सो या
डोक्याला त्रास पण देतो आणि डोक्याला काय करतो? मालिश पण करतो. सगळं करतो मी.
Yes. जर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कॉमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला
सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय. Go, turn it off. Special thanks to our assistant director, Hriday. He was the one who pressed the play button, the pause button, and made sure we are coming in frame. So a special thanks to this boy.
थँक्यू.